Why does your scanner show the P0107 engine code? What does it mean? P0107 is a diagnostic trouble code for manifold absolute pressure or barometric pressure circuit low input. This engine code indicates that this PCM has detected a voltage signal from the MAP sensor that is too low to be valid. This can result from a faulty MAP sensor, issues within the sensor's wiring or ground connection, or a low vacuum condition in the engine's intake manifold. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAP sensor, wiring and connector issues, low engine vacuum, poor ground connections. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, Honda, and Mitsubishi vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.